Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Tuning Videos. The developers of this extension claim that it is some great extension to adjust your video temperature and many other properties. The problem with this particular extension is that people don't install it based on their own decision. Instead, this extension often gets integrated with many free applications. So people typically download and install it pretty unintentionally. This is why it is fairly considered as a potentially unwanted program, which you should, of course, get rid of immediately. The problem is that the extension like that may also periodically show a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Some extensions are able to hijack certain browser settings. So, to summarize, if this Tuning Videos extension was installed into your Google Chrome without your permission, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it. To remove third-party extensions from Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions here, if they were added to the Google Chrome, you should get rid of them. So now, for the demonstration purposes, I am adding this extension to the Google Chrome, and then you need to get rid of it. So once again, Menu, More Tools, Extensions. Disable this Tuning Videos extension and remove the extension completely. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.